stress tip. Stress is the biggest and most prevalent theme across our life. It's a reality. Stress is whatever makes us feel like we don't have it all together, like we're not in the frame of mind we'd like to be in. It can happen at any moment and in any setting. There, right now, all of a sudden, the world inside of your head is out of control and your thoughts are racing and you can't quite get hold of them. And when that happens, you either feel angry or agitated, or you feel anxious, or you realize you feel depressed. What was that? Depressed. Over time, some people actually report that they feel nothing at all. Nothing at all, because the experience has been so pervasive for so long, they've had to shut down in an effort to cope, to survive. Wow! Yeah, I'm a professional, but let me assure you, I'll never get to a point in my career work when that won't just break my heart over and again. Life is a beautiful thing, and our journey here is so short. No matter how long we live, it is a short time frame. My perspective is that people are good, and people are kind, and people want a handful of basic needs met in their life. To feel useful, important, and like their life has purpose. To feel loved and understood, and not pressed and pushed over an edge. Well, or over an edge. Don't push anybody over an edge. In order for us to get this out of life, we need to have some basic skills, and they include, at the core, knowing how to use our mind. Our mind dictates how we communicate, and that means we want good stuff happening in our mind, not junk. Positive thinking is a wonderful exercise. How do you do it? You begin with the notion that everything that is harmful or hurtful to you or another is unacceptable. You add to that the flip side, and you begin to change the conversation inside of your mind. A welcoming greeting to others is a good start, and that begins inside of your mind because we each picture what it is we will encounter with another, and we act it out. So you have to remember that. Sigmund Freud was very correct when he made the claim, people leak. We do. Everything. We leak everything we think and feel. So, step number 1 is to have good, positive thinking taking place inside of your own mind. Go get started and come on back for more, because we're going to keep this going.